Hello guys, welcome to new video. Today title is the 5 highest paying side hustles on Fiverr. I select free Udemy course for these categories. You can get their links from description. First one is mobile app development. The platform found that projects cost between $300 and $3,000. Freelancers generally offer app creation for iPhone, iPad or Android, with some creating up to 5 pages of app design, app icons, logos and banners. Another high-paying hustle on Fiverr is for graphic design. Fiverr found that graphic design is still one of the highest paid side hustles on its platform, with services selling for $100 to $3,000. Particularly lucrative areas of graphic design include web and mobile design and presentation design. In the same vein as graphic design, Fiverr found that 3D and 2D model services are especially lucrative, selling for $100 to $2,000. 3D and 2D models include product visualizations and 3D models and can be made for anything from cars to buildings. Search and display marketing services also makes Fiverr's list of the highest paying side hustles on its site, as one project can go for $100 to $2,000. Sellers in this category often work with companies like Google and Facebook to set up, manage and optimize ad campaigns, and many offer consulting services for Google AdWords, Google's online advertising service. Next one is video marketing. Video marketing services are now the highest paying gigs on the platform. Freelancers charge between $300 to $18,000 per project. The most lucrative services include live action explainer videos, whiteboard and animated explainer videos and short video ads,